No, yo estoy live. Pues este es uno nuevo.
Bueno. No vas a hacer a esto. Mientras yo escribo, si quiero, mientras yo digo,
Pero,
hay que cambiar, hay que editar, podemos editar los enlaces, si acaso, o poner otro mensaje.
pero vamos a usar este o qué es.
Bueno, si consigues, sí.
Sí, sí, yo ya estoy.
Pues pasa el enlace y vamos con el tuyo.
Pero ¿y tú tienes el antiguo para decirle a la gente el nuevo enlace?
Sí.
¿Te lo paso?
Sí.
Toma. A ver.
Ya te veo.
¿Ya me ves? Pues. ¿Ya me ves?
Esa es nueva.
No, ¿qué es ruido?
¿Has podido poner en el otro? ¿En el otro vídeo?
No, te lo he pasado para que lo pusieras tú.
Hasta aquí. Digo que hemos posted algo. Yo aviso. Tú mira, yo lo cambio, tú mira que la gente se meta. A ver si ya tenemos gente. Hello.
Hello, Corinne. How are you? Sorry for the delay. We had an issue with the camera, but it's running now.
Could you please join?
Okay, so let's see if people notice that we have changed the live link. So let's wait a couple of minutes to see if there's more people joining us, and then we will start.
Yeah, I'm trying to finish.
Yeah, that's right. So I think. Okay.
Please. See if you can prepare this.
Elizabeth.
Need to see. Hi all, how are you? Let's see. How are you doing? Let's wait for a minute or so that we get people that's on the other stream to join this one. Sorry about that.
paro aquí.
Yeah, but we need to see how to share here. Maybe it's not possible, but
Haven't we shared screen before?
no, but no problem. Okay, well, welcome to this live video. I know that it's been a short notice, but we're really excited. As soon as we launched that new feature, the catalog, we wanted to share it with you all. So we thought we'd do a quick video to explain to you a little bit more about what it is and how it works. And then you can ask any questions or any suggestions you may have about it. So as you know, a few days ago, we released a new feature on Hasselblad Real called the catalog, which is basically a way for you to list items directly in your store without leaving the Hasselblad Real website. When I started Hasselblad Real, I had to go into what we've all been doing all this time that you've been with us. So we've been going to the supplier's website, clicking on the extension, extracting the data, and browsing through the supplier's website, which at some points could be a bit time-consuming for all of us. So we came up with an idea. We were thinking, how could we improve the experience of all the sellers, all the users when they are using Hasselblad Real? And we thought, well, instead of asking them to install an extension and go off our website, what if we keep all the people in our website and bring the products instead? So that's what we've been working on. We've been fetching all the information, all the product data from the suppliers, and brought them right into our own website. This way you can compare, match, and play a little bit with all the different products that we have in the system from different suppliers, and hopefully save you some time as well when listing. So if you notice now, when you log into Hasselblad Real, you will see now that the first section in the navigation bar there is a new link. We added the new icon, the new badge there, and you can access it and have a look. It is available for free to all the users, and of course you can access it anytime directly. You do not need any special permission or anything. So well, this is like the bit of the introduction to the reason why we are here. I have Anna here with me. She's the CMO of the company. She's in charge of marketing and customer service. So I know most of you already know her and have dealt with her for some time now. So you can also ask any question you may have, and we'll be happy to help you. And my name is Miguel. I'm the founder of Hasselblad Real. And well, some of you already know that I started selling on eBay several years ago. And Hasselblad Real was born with the idea of saving some time to me initially. And then as soon as I saw that this was working, we started sharing it with other people. And as I was saying, the idea of this stream is to let you know that we have released a new feature called the catalog. And it basically consists of three parts. If you are able to access it now on your accounts, you will see that it has like three different sections. First one is on the left-hand side, a filter, where you are able to select the suppliers that you want to see with regards to the products that we are showing you. You can filter by the sale price, for example, and also by the title. So if you want to list garden items, you can just type garden and it will come up with all garden items from different suppliers that we have. Then you can also exclude certain suppliers. For example, there's people who now say, okay, I want to list from different suppliers, but I do not want Amazon or Walmart, for example. Then you have the option to exclude those, and we'll show you products from other suppliers. Also, you have the main section, which is the largest one. It contains the different products that we are showing you. We are already calculating how much profit you would be making if you sell that item. So you can also filter by that. So, for example, you can say, okay, I just want to list items if I'm making £5 or more. Then you have the option to select that. And you can also view more details. We are showing you a small title, the cost, but if you click on the magnifying glass icon that you see on each product, you will be able to see the description, the features, and the different images that this product has on the system and how it would be listed into your store. And finally, you have what we call the checkout or the cart section. And this is where we keep the selection of the products that you have chosen that will be listed into your store. So it's a sort of bulk lister, but it allows you to choose the item much quicker, because with the current bulk lister, with what we had until now, you had to fetch all the links yourself or using another tool and then paste them into the bulk lister. With this option, you can just select the criteria that you want. You see the product, and then you can keep adding them directly, and they will be listed in the desired channel in a matter of minutes. So I think it's very, very helpful. So before I go on, if you have any questions, or maybe Anna want to add something.
No. The thing is that the catalog has been live only for 2 days, and surprisingly, a lot of users have been using it already and have given us feedback, and it's working really good. So we would like you all to try it, because we know it will improve your business and it will give you much more time to think about the strategy and other things. And yeah, one of the good things of the advantages of this catalog is that you can list, I don't know, hundreds of items at the same time. You are able to see the pictures and a lot of information about these items, instead of, as Miguel said, with the previous bulk lister, you had to paste your own URLs and you had to search for the items. But now with the catalog, you are able to see within seconds many items. You can even search for a certain category with the title, and yeah, within seconds the items will be in your store. So I think it's a really good improvement that we've all made, and yeah, really looking forward to your feedback. And
yeah, I can see Alexander was asking about the optimization. This is what I was going to talk about now. So I was thinking about the process that I use myself when I list items in my store. So first I need to choose the products, and then, I need to use the tool to list them. This is the process that we have improved so far. But then I don't want to spend a lot of time. I know that the titles and the description need to be right, but I want to do it right. But I didn't want to spend a lot of time. I want to do it right, but in the less possible time. So this is why we were thinking, how could we improve the system even further? Because I have selected the items now, but now I need to optimize them before I list them into my store. So here, this is why we came up with a solution that it's a work in progress, because as you know, this is a very broad concept, the optimization, and we are constantly fetching information about all the products that are selling on eBay in general, from any seller, and trying to see why a specific product is selling or why a specific user is doing very well. And we are trying to put this data together and matching that with the product that you want to list. So for example, if you want to list, garden storage, for example, unit, then we say, okay, we get the information about hot selling storage units on eBay, and we try to find the keywords that are common, the kind of description that they have, the layout of the page, a lot of information, as much information as we can, and try to combine it with your to apply it to your listing. And so we added an optional feature to the catalog, which is like the optimization tokens. And basically, it's one optimization token if you want our system to automatically optimize as much as possible using all the data and all the system that we have in our, to optimize your listing using our data. So when the process is exactly the same, so you can basically decide which items to list, and then whether you want them optimized by our system or not. And yes, it completely optimizes the title based on the data. We have fetched a lot of data from many sellers on eBay, from as many as we can, and we are continuously doing it. And then correlate that data with the number of sales. We get the information about title, description, as I was mentioning. So it primarily improves the title of the item, and then we try to fill in as many item specifics as possible. So that's basically the idea of the optimization. It's completely optional. You can use the catalog to list as many items as you want, and we are not charging you for using the catalog, because we think it's a great tool for you to make use of all the quota that you have. Because sometimes I was forcing myself at the beginning when I was starting with my store, to list 30 items per day, but sometimes it was taking a long time because I wanted to optimize everything. I wanted to do it like very professional. It was taking a long time, and I didn't want to drop the level, but I wanted to spend less time. So we needed to come up with a solution that could make this possible. And I think with the catalog, it's definitely a step in the right direction. We are now very open to any feedback that you have about specifically the catalog. We'll talk now briefly about a few other things we have in mind, but it's the moment now that if you have any questions or any specific feedback about the catalog, or any ideas or improvements that we could make to make your life easier, then it would be good that you share it with us so that we can take a look. You can see the balance of optimization tokens on the catalog on the right hand side. There is a number there, optimization tokens. You will say, well, depending on your current balance. But if you click on it, you will see 3 different packages, and you can. It's very cheap. And the idea is to save you time. You can still list items straight away, and depending on your strategy, we know there is a lot of people who are just bulk listing and they keep the titles as they are. But it depends on your strategy. It's a good combination. In any case, the idea is to save you time and increase the visibility of your listings, because we have tested, we have put in a lot of effort on this new feature, trying to make it as simple as possible. But still, you are using it every day as well. So any feedback you may have, please do share it. Then, we are reading the comments now. Yes, it is available in the US, the catalog as well, and in other countries too. And also, in the meantime, while you think about any question and you take a look, I wanted to take this opportunity to share with you that we are finalizing the beta version to sell on Amazon as well. So at the moment, we were only allowing people to sell on eBay and Shopify. We are releasing Amazon as well. So you could basically list the items from the catalog directly into Amazon or eBay or your favorite marketplace. So if anyone's interested in giving it a try, we are finalizing it already. The beta version, we'll release it very soon. But if any of you is interested in becoming a beta tester and giving it a try, then you can get in touch with me or Anna, and we'll sort that out for you. It's completely free to become beta tester. The listings that you put on Amazon will not count towards your subscription limit. And it's basically for you to give us feedback and try to make the tool more user friendly and more useful. In the end, we all want to make money, and this is why we are trying to find ways to help you. So let's have a look at the questions. Yeah, well, we haven't. It's true, we haven't released any videos yet. We have a few of them prepared, a series of videos for the catalog to show you how it works, how the optimization works. But honestly, as soon as we saw how it was working, how well it was working, and we had something really, we need to make this live and available to people as soon as possible, because it really works very well. It's true that there is not much documentation, and something will be improving in the coming days or weeks, and you will be able to see how the optimization works. We'll consider what Alexander just said as well, to give you the people who is here a few tokens for free. For example, if you get in touch and want to give it a try. And yeah, any question, any other question or feedback you may have, then we are very interested in hearing, because we think it's one of those features that we think will take us to the next level. Let's see what else. Yes, the catalog will also work for Amazon. I mean, it works already. If you have an Amazon, if you are part of the beta program, which I think you are, then it should work. Yes. Hi, John. Yeah, if you want, after this call, you can get in touch, and we'll look into your listing. So I don't know. Anything else? Does anyone have any question? Anything? No? Okay, well, now you must be still playing with it, but if you later on or tomorrow have any questions or any feedback, then you can just let us know. You can get in touch on Facebook, email, Instagram, and we'll come back to you, and because we'll be improving this feature. Okay, we'll take note of that. So I don't know. Anything else?
No, I think that's it. Well, as we said, it's a really good tool, and we really encourage you all to try it. And yeah, please give us your feedback. We are still working on it. It will be improving. And yeah, whatever you can, I don't know, suggest us, or any feedback you have in regards to this new tool, please let us know, and we will do our best to implement it.
Okay.
Maybe you have questions regarding any other feature, or if you have any doubts, do you want to take this opportunity to ask something else, or everyone's fine?
No more questions? Okay, then thank you for your time. I hope you found this little talk useful, and talk to you soon then. Take care.
Bye.
See you. Bye.